Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Code and Square AI. In this video, I will give the example of a decorator function using login system. Okay. In this video, when you watch completely this example, okay, you will inshallah you will all clear the concept of a decorator completely. Here we will use the concept of arguments. Okay, arguments, how we can give the argument to the decorator functions, and how we can use the login stuff. Okay, after the watching this video. Okay, so this. Okay, so first we'll make a variable is log. Okay, logged in. Okay, now for example, okay, someone logged complete. Okay, true. Now it will true. Okay, because someone give the email and someone complete the credentials. Okay, after that, okay, then we are making this function. Okay, uh, this is this is this is our original function. Okay, imagine this will be our original function. Okay, so here we'll write um, output if someone successfully, then output. Okay, output. And here I want, okay, okay, parameter name, so I will print welcome, welcome. So I will give a name. Okay, like this. Okay, then we will, okay, if someone log in, okay, logged in true, then okay, then we will, okay, then okay, we'll use this function. Okay, otherwise if it was not, then okay, we will not, we will in else. Okay, so now we want to add more, okay, extend for, okay, so here I will write, now we want to add more extra functionality. Okay, functionality. For that we will use the decorator function. Okay, so now it uses schematic, because of now we want to add in this function more, okay, more or extra functionality. So for that, okay, so then we will use decorator function here. Okay, in this case. Okay, so let's we make, okay, what we want to do, we want to, okay, if this login, okay, login stuff, then we will use this. Okay, if it was not to, okay, login, then we'll use another, that extra information I want to add. Okay, so for that I will make another function, okay, without changing. Okay, I will not change its content and its code. So I will make agent decorator. Okay, decorator. Okay, decorator. Okay, so now I will give name to it. Okay, says, okay, like for example, mm, like for example, s. Okay, s function. Okay, I want to give to it a s function because of, okay, so okay, I want to give this name. Okay, so then, okay, I use a decorator, so I will also assign the value to it that you are a decorator. Okay, so I will use at the rate. After that, then we will give this name. Okay, decorator. Okay, decorator. Okay, like this you can give each and every name. Okay, so why was there a so if I will, okay, capitalize it. Okay, then there is not occur. Okay, so there is not occurring. Let's forward to check. Okay, okay, so then we will make, okay, extra information. We want to add extra, so I will make another function and I will give the name extra. Okay, extra functionality. Okay, extra functionality. And here we want to use the arguments. Okay, so for that, okay, we can also use, okay, this is, okay, star argument. So it is used, okay, it is used for the okay, okay, or positional arguments. Okay, we call to them. Okay, we call to this positional argument. Okay, so like for example, okay, what we call to it, okay, to this, okay, to this arguments, okay, type of argument we call to it, okay, we call to it, we call to it positional arguments. Okay, we call to it positional arguments. Okay, so because for that, okay, and double stack, okay, double stack, this double stack, they turn on has, okay, we call to them, okay, that word, okay, word arguments. Okay, so here we, okay, here we will give the uh, okay, positional, so that's okay, we can also use um, okay, that word argument as well as well. So okay, so then okay, then I want, okay, if, okay, if I'm using the condition, so if I will, okay, sorry, we do not use this. Okay, so if if is this login, okay, if is login, okay, if this, if, okay, if is login, okay, it means if it's true, okay, then you can, then we will call this, okay, this, okay, so I give the name yes, 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 and okay, so I will call it, okay, here, okay, print, okay, okay, your account name is, I will also it is first, okay, I will also let welcome Bilal, and okay, welcome, okay, any name, then I will also, okay, okay, call to them that name, okay, that, okay, that I will give the, yes, take that, okay, 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 yes, so we do this, so print, okay, I'll say that again, try, again, try, okay, again, try, so like this, okay, we add, okay, functionality to this, okay, to this, okay, to this function, okay, that function, this function none has decorator, so now we will return it, return this extra functionality, so we return it, okay, now, and we will also call this, okay, this name is output, output, and sorry, is missing output, I will say that Bilal, okay, okay, Bilal, okay, you can give any number, okay, any name, and now, okay, now we'll also give here, okay, so okay, now we'll run it, okay, so you can look, welcome Bilal, your account name is Bilal, okay, and for example, if I had false, okay, so is login false, okay, false, okay, now we'll run it again, okay, so now this again try, okay, so like this, take this of this name in input tab, like you can, for example, I will make one variable, that name will be input name, and input I will ask from the user, enter your name, enter your name. Okay, enter your name. Okay, now I will use this variable name here, input name, input underscore name. Okay, so when I will run it, then it will ask from me an input name, and after then that, okay, like for example my name is Rihan. Okay, now again try. Okay, again try, because of now it is false. When I will throw it, okay, now I want to throw it. Okay, again I will run it. Okay, so let I will again run it. Okay, now it's saying retrieve the name. I will select Rihan. Okay, now we welcome Rihan. Our account name is Rihan. Okay, so for today that is enough. Okay, okay, we understood about the example of decorator, how we can use the decorator in situations. Okay, in which situation we can use. Today we learned this. Inshallah we'll meet another excited, okay, excited video. Till Allah Hafiz.